Welcome to Capital Central, sponsored by FH Fur. Here's your host, Sherry Wimple.
Today we are here with FH Fur's expert, Ethan. Ethan, can you share what trainings and certifications FH Fur HVAC technicians have to complete in order to become certified?
Yeah, our employees go through continuous training to bring our customers absolutely the best service. So during their initial training, employees are given all the tools that they'll need to perform to the standard of FH Fur's customer service. So in addition, they receive continuous class training, hands-on training, and technology training so that they're always up to date with the latest techniques and equipment.
Our in-home expert, Sean, is here to tell you some DIY tips on how to make your home more energy efficient.
Hi there, Sean here with another handy household tip presented by FH Fur. Here are 4 ways to make your home more energy efficient. Tip 1. Unplug your chargers and devices when not in use. Not only does it save energy, but it's also better for your electronics. Tip 2. Upgrade your windows. A lot of air that enters your home comes through and around windows. If you own your home, consider replacing your windows with low emittance models. Tip 3. Upgrade your appliances. Newer refrigerators use 4 times less energy than old ones. The same can be said for your HVAC systems as well. Higher efficiency means lower bills and improved function. Tip 4, landscaping. A well-placed tree to block the afternoon sunlight works wonders to keep the heat down in the summer.
Thanks for watching Capital Central, sponsored by FH Fur.
The News 4 Rundown is sponsored by FH Fur.